Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter and Square, is one of the most successful self-taught programmers in history. Throughout his career, he's been vocally proud to be self-taught. In an interview with Business Insider, he stated his opinion that most of the best programmers are self-taught. Dorsey started programming as a teenager because of his early interest in city infrastructure and transportation. In January 2011, he said, "I've always been fascinated by cities and how they work, and I taught myself to program so I can understand how the city works." As a young adult, he went to the Missouri University of Science and Technology before transferring to New York University. However, he never graduated. He dropped out of NYU, but not before coming up with the idea that would become Twitter. In an interview at the NYU Entrepreneurs Festival, he said, "The reason I dropped out is because I was learning more with a higher velocity outside of school than I was in school." In 2006, he pitched his idea for Twitter to Silicon Valley company Odeo. He and Biz Stone created the Twitter prototype together in roughly 2 weeks. The rest is tech history.